And guess what? We're almost done. We're ready to reinstall this puppy. Okay, so check it out. These screen doors, they always come with these little tracks. You got one on top and you got the ones on the side so it can guide it while it's rolling back and forth. So all you want to do when you want to put this back in is first you do the top part. Got to do the top first. Angle it, and it's real simple. You're going to just put you got these two wheels here. You're going to put them up right underneath and inside the track. And then start to slowly move this into place. It's going to start resisting, but that's good. That's what you want it to do, okay? Now we get our flathead screwdriver. Make sure that your track is clear of any debris. Okay, and then we're going to lift up a little and slide it in. And get the flat part of your screwdriver blade underneath that wheel. You'll see it peeking out, and just lift it up a little bit and put it down. And that's in. And we do the same for the back wheel. Okay, there's your wheel. You can see it just barely peeking out there. Get your flathead blade under it, lift, okay, and slide it in. There you go. Now, remember those adjustment screws I told you about? This is the time to do that. So, we take our screwdriver. Why don't you cut?
Wait, we're rolling. So this is a pickup for the wheel. All
okay.
Right. I see it moving. I see the screwdriver. Go ahead. Great. Anytime.
Okay, we got the door on the track now, and everything's looking pretty good. We got it. The wheels are in the right place, but there's only one problem now. It's very hard to push. You see how it rocks back and forth? You try to... That's only because we haven't adjusted it. And I told you very early on in this segment that we got two adjustment screws at the bottom, one over here and one over here. When we come back, I'm going to show you how to adjust this and have it flowing smoothly and running perfect right across the track.